Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change owner in GroupMe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to change owner in GroupMe, what you need to do is head over and open up your GroupMe app, and once you're inside, all you gotta do is just select the group that you want to change the owner, right? Once you have selected the group, all you gotta do is tap on the group name on the top of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with these options, right? Now simply tap on the settings option, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you find the option that says change owner, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on it, here all you gotta do is just select the number or the contact that you want to set the owner as, right? Or just simply type in the contact name, and the name will be displayed right here, and just select the contact. And that's basically how you can change the owner. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.